Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Salishan Mal here. Brought my FastDevil 420 out, looking at it, I'm thinking, you know what, every time I fly it, I say I will not do any aerobatics, but eventually I start throwing it around. Today, really, my skills are really not good, man. Not confident to throw it around, so I'm just gonna fly it without aerobatics. And it's also pretty windy. I don't like this fence in front of me, so I'll just walk a little bit to clear the fence. But who says we cannot have fun flying the helicopter around me? You know, flying it like a helicopter is much more fun as well. Yeah, we have crashed. I mean, I have crashed 1 or 2 little planes in this fence. That is why I prefer to stay with the helicopters in front of this fence. Now I just increased the head speed, don't worry. There we go again. Man! Okay. No, you know, I promised myself today I'm not gonna do any such thing. So I'm just gonna cut down on the head speed, because once I hear the head speed, I really want to play around. Uh-oh, don't look at the sun, please. Whenever I hear that high head speed, really, I cannot control myself. No, let's not touch that high head speed. Let's just play around with this baby. This is really a sweet helicopter, and playing around with this is really fun without even aerobatics. Flying it only is fun. Drifting, I mean skidding, not drifting. Driving it around. I just really am worried about this fence, because this fence will be the end of this helicopter. Remind you that this helicopter is extremely fast as well. Just look at it, hovering. Flying it slow is itself a pleasure. Yeah, baby. I punched it again. But just for speed. Look, I'm just driving it. Oh, blade is scrap. I gotta watch for that angle, you know. Let's land it. Let's land the baby, shall we? Alright, time to land. Time to land. Don't want to torture the battery too much. Yeah, still there's slight difference in the pitch curves between idle up, so it jumps. But hey, it was fun. Didn't I say no aerobatics? Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.